Grandma's hands were rough but kind, worked the needle through the time. She taught me stitches and told me tales of patchwork hearts and how love prevails.
Hello lovies, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina, and for all of my YouTube friends who keep coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am doing my intro late at night in my pajamas, so I'm a bit camera shy tonight. Okay, today I am going to show you how I do my handmade patches to upcycle your boring clothing. I created this bird and butterfly pattern, which I will leave in the description below if you would like to print it out. And this is what I do. I cut out the pattern. You can cut out the pieces if you'd like. I usually cut it out as one big piece, and then I just add my pieces on top. You will see in a moment.
Grandma's hands were rough but kind, worked the needle through the time. She taught me stitches and told me tales of patchwork hearts and how love prevails.
You will need a sturdy piece of fabric. I'm using a duck cotton couch arm cover that I will never use. It's perfect for this.
Her voice a thread that spun me whole as I stitched my heart and sewed my soul. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love under soft moonlight. A button here seemed just so. With every piece I learned to grow. Life's not perfect, patterns to trace, but beauty hides in a patchwork place. She said, create when the world feels cold. Make something new from the tales you're told. Thread your dreams and stitch them tall. Even the smallest seams can stand it all. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love under soft moonlight.
I decided I wanted a bigger butterfly, so I just took a piece of paper from my printer. I laid the butterfly down and I just drew around it about, I don't know, between a ½ inch and an inch, because I really wanted a large butterfly. So you could take my patterns and you can just make them smaller or bigger. So I already have these preset because I was playing with them before I started videotaping. And what I like to do is I like to lay lace on top of my fabric, and then I add crochet and I add different pieces of fabric, and this is the way I like to do it. So just enjoy the process.
Grandma's hands were rough but kind, worked the needle through the time. She taught me stitches and told me tales of patchwork hearts and how love...
I'm going to stitch right up the body here without Googling it. Does anybody know what the name of the body is of a butterfly? Anyway, I took the seams from that couch cover, that arm cover, and I used the seams because they were doubled and they were nice and stiff, and I figured I'd be able to make butterfly antennas from it.
Colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love soft moonlight. A button here seemed just so. With every piece I learned to grow. Life's not perfect, patterns to trace, but beauty hides in a patchwork place. She said create when the world feels cold, make something new from the tales you're told. Thread your dreams and stitch them tall, even the smallest seams can stand it all. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love under soft moonlight. She said create when the world feels cold, make something new from the tales you're told. Thread your dreams and stitch them tall, even the smallest seams can stand it all. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight.
Now I'm going to take this over to my sewing machine. I'm going to zigzag around the edge, and then I'm going to run stitches around each piece and throughout, up and down, zigzag, wherever I feel like putting stitches in to give it a nice quilt look. My granddaughter made me do that purple and pink one, and I did the big shabby chic looking one. And now that I'm done sewing it, I'm just going to cut out. I flip it over and I cut all the extra pieces off that are hanging over. And then after I cut this out, I will show you the final results of the butterflies and the bird. And now for the final results. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel.
Grandma's hands were rough but kind, worked the needle through the time. She taught me stitches and told me tales of patchwork hearts and how love prevails. Through scraps of fabric, memories bloom in her little kitchen's glowing room. Her voice a thread that spun me whole as I stitched my heart and sewed my soul. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love under soft moonlight. A button here seemed just
Thanks for watching.
every piece I learned to grow. Life's not perfect, patterns to trace, but beauty hides in a patchwork place.